Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Top Crypto Bull here once again to update you guys on the greatest and latest news and rumors of the crypto world. Let's get right into it, guys. So guys, what do you guys see on the screen? Nothing but green bubbles. Top 100, it's all green today for the day and the last 24 hours. And why is that? Well, that is because today Jerome Powell, the chairman of the Federal Reserve, he came out and spoke today. He was very, very dovish. He basically said that the inflation is going down year to year, and that he is signaling potentially cutting rates the next meeting or on the near horizon, like he said. And I found this cool little article that might explain it a little bit better. So let's get right into it, guys. So the article reads like this: past rate cuts indicate potential crypto bull market catalyst. The U.S. Federal Reserve is expected to begin lowering its benchmark interest rate in September. Speaking at the annual Jackson Hole Symposium, United States Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell sent his strongest signal yet that the interest rate cuts are on the immediate horizon. The price of Bitcoin rallied past 63,000 on the news, and analysts think further gains are expected when the Fed begins cutting rates. Lena LD, a researcher at Exchange Traded Products Issuer 21 Shares, explained that the previous interest rate cuts were good for the price appreciation of digital assets, as investors with cheaper access to loans took the opportunity to invest in risk-on asset classes. In a statement to Cointelegraph, the analyst gave a specific example of a previous rate cut at the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic. She said, in March 2020, when they cut rates by 150 basis points to reach near zero levels, the total crypto market cap increased by 450% towards the end of the year, and Bitcoin's price surged by 200% in the same period. There you go, guys. That's what happened the last time they were cutting rates. So is that what we're headed for next? Are we going to see 450% surge in the crypto currency market? We shall see. Let's continue on with the article. LD qualified her statements by explaining that while past performance does not guarantee future results, the March 2020 interest rate cuts could provide a benchmark to compare the likely effects of the impending rate cut on crypto markets. Levels of the M2 money supply as a market signal. The analyst also pointed out the changes in the M2 money supply, a measure of the total currency circulating in the global economy, as a potential catalyst for a Bitcoin breakout. LD noted that Bitcoin's price usually reaches its lowest point several months before the M2 money supply bottoms out, before surging rapidly. The rapid price surge typically surpasses liquidity growth before pulling back in what the analyst described as a mid-cycle correction. The analyst concluded by sharing her belief that Bitcoin exchange traded funds ETFs were a key catalyst for a price appreciation amid the M2 money supply cycle she described. Also, she says that despite a $528 million outflow from digital asset investment products during the week of August 3rd, institutional interest in digital asset investment remains high, as evidenced by strong inflows into BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF and Fidelity's Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund of $20.3 million and $61.3 million respectively. The strong interest in digital asset investment vehicles is also corroborated by the behavior of investment. The strong interest of digital asset investment vehicles is also corroborated by the behavior of investment advisors who increased their exposure to Bitcoin ETFs during the second quarter of 2024. There you go, guys. So the institutional investors are still buying up the ETFs. And I think it was great today that Jerome Powell, he was very dovish today. I did see him talk, and yeah, he was very dovish. He's basically saying that they're on the right track, that the inflation is going down and that they do see interest rate cuts in the immediate horizon. Now, is that going to be a 25 basis point or 50 basis point? But that's up in the air. We shall see. But it's like I've been saying all along, guys. I do believe Q4 of this year is when Bitcoin and cryptocurrency markets gonna start trending up fast and eventually go into its parabolic part of the bull run cycle, guys. So I mean, if September gets a cut rate, that'll basically push the market up little, or probably trend up slowly, not go parabolic yet. But once we hit like October, November, December, any one of those months, we could start seeing parabolic moves on your favorite cryptocurrencies and on Bitcoin. Of course, Bitcoin will probably break out first, because as history shows us, historical data shows us that the cryptocurrencies, they follow Bitcoin. Once Bitcoin breaks into price discovery, and price discovery is basically breaking out of the all-time high, which is 73,700. Once it breaks out of 73,700, Bitcoin does, then your favorite cryptocurrency coins will follow, guys. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys are bullish on this news like I am. Jerome Powell came out dovish, and we shall see interest rate cuts in the immediate horizon, according to his words. Well, let me know in the comments what you guys think about this article, guys, and about Jerome Powell being dovish and signaling interest rate cuts here in the near horizon. Let me know in the comments. Also, guys, just a reminder, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, help the channel grow. This is Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.